You got to get going. You got to take action. The discipline is the miracle process. And here, how to get the miracle of your future going as far as discipline are connected. Number 1. Do what you can. You might go home and set a whole new pace for yourself, and we call it cleaning up. Neglect should walk around the block, could walk around the block. For your good health, don't walk around the block. See, you are on the wrong track. Should read, could read, don't read, on the wrong track. Should call, could call, don't call, on the wrong track. Could change, should change, don't change, you are on the wrong track. Letter you haven't written, conversation you haven't had with your family, somebody you should sit down with when you get back home. Get that job done. Don't let neglect destroy your days, destroy your life, and destroy your future. Go back and do what you can, and if you are do what you can, then life will give you some extraordinary thing to do. We all pity them in the right one to start out of his house. Go stand out. The corporation has not yet stand it out his garage. You got to take care of the small discipline before life will give you a chance to handle the more complicated discipline. How do you think Mark Hugs got here? Scattered now throughout 14-15 countries, around 14-15 coming up on me. How do you do this? You started first with the smallest of discipline, and do not neglect them, and do not discredit them as being trifling. Everything matter, everything important. Good phrase to take home. All discipline affect each other. In fact, here a good philosophical phrase. If you had throw off it before hear it, everything effort, everything else, it's so easy to be casual and say, well, this doesn't matter. This doesn't matter. I am telling you, everything matter. Of course, something matter more than other, but there isn't anything that doesn't matter. Then hear the positive side. Every new discipline affect all your other discipline. If you get some new thing going, make some call. You are never made before, step up your activity level, step up your level, develop the skill from these 2 days of training here, and you are go home and work some miracle on your days and your life and your future and your income, your business, and a bigger portion of that 400 millions will certainly be yours. Go for the discipline, the smallest of discipline, the least of discipline. You can know all the detail. Take care of your discipline when the amount are small, and then life will be. See to it that you get some extraordinary number to work with, like you saw the stories display here. Do not disregard the smalls of discipline. Let us not neglect. Do not neglect the small of discipline, and build on that foundation, and you can have everything you could possibly want. Okay, get going, you.